Now the next what we are going to talk about, we are going to talk about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. From name it's clear, uniform. Uniform means लगातार सेम चीज़ चल रही है, ठीक है ना, यूनिफॉर्मिटी है उसमें, लगातार सेम चीज़ चल रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ एनी बॉडी इज़ मूविंग फॉर 3 hours, ओके, इट्स मूविंग फ्रॉम 3 hours, the distance covered in 1 hour, first 1 hour, the distance covered in second 1 hour, the distance covered in third 1 hour is equal. Okay, now what they are saying, if a moving body travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, is said to be uniform. Okay, we talk about this table first. See what they have given. They are talking about a body, a car is moving, and 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. it covers how much? 30 kilometer. Means 1 hour cover 30 kilometer. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. again 1 hour cover how much bata? 60 minus 30, 30 kilometer. Again 11 to 12 a.m. to 12 noon, sorry, that is 1 hour. Now 90 minus 60, how much distance? 30 kilometer. So equal distance in equal interval of time. So this is what? Uniform motion. Clear? That's what they have given here. That for 90, this is what? 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. This explanation they have given here. We have done that. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, from 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. And for distance traveled is how much? 30 kilometer. No change in the speed of that body. That body is moving at one particular speed. Okay, so that is the distance. So what is that constant speed? For every hour the distance traveled is how much? 30 kilometer. So 30 kilometer upon 1 hour, the speed is coming out 30 kilometer per hour, because we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So that become 30 kilometer per hour. Now what they are saying in this, do you know? In a clock, the second arm moves in a circular path with the constant speed. It covers equal distance along the periphery in equal interval of time. Equal distance cover करती है बेटा. They're talking about the second arm. Fine. So it moves in a circular path. It moves like this. It always take how much? 60 seconds to cover this one periphery, or one you can say at moving around the periphery and cover this circular motion. This circular motion in always in 1 minute. So this motion is what? Uniform. Now the term comes non-uniform. उसमें क्या था? Equal distance, equal interval of time. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? We are taking equal interval of times. We are counting on the basis of equal intervals of time. But the distance cover is what? It is not equal. For example, giving you a very simple example. Suppose from your house you are going to Ludhiana. Okay. What you people will do, like you're moving from your house near the Chik Chik Chowk or the Nakodar Chowk, lots of traffic will be there, your speed will be less. As once you cross that PAP Chowk, you are on the highway, the speed of your car varies. So that's why how your car is moving in a non-uniform motion, not in a uniform motion. So here we are having an example. See beta, again 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. The time difference we are taking same. So equal interval of time. We are taking what? Equal interval of time. Equal interval of time, but how much distance is covering? First 1 hour only 4 kilometer. Then for second hour 8 kilometer. Then for next third hour 3 kilometer. अब जब हम नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन कर रहे थे बेटा, द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन दैट इज सेम 30 किलोमीटर 30 किलोमीटर 30 किलोमीटर. So we have taken for 1 hour 30 kilometer and we found out the speed. Now the question is how we will find out the speed when we are talking about a non-uniform motion. The speed in the non-uniform motion we will find out by calculating the average speed, because the body is not covering the equal distance in equal interval of time. So what we will do, we will find out the average speed. So when you are talking about the non-uniform motion, what you will do, we will have to find the average speed. Okay, average speed you people have to find. Now how to calculate the average speed? That is total distance upon total time taken. Now what is the total distance here? That is 4 kilometer plus 8 kilometer plus 3 kilometer. That comes out to be how much? 15 kilometer. And time is how much? 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So that is 3 hours. So total distance is 15 kilometer and total time taken is 3. So the speed we are getting, that is 5 kilometer per hour. 5 kilometer per hour. So now we are left with only one topic. So in next video we are going to study about mass and weight.